Today the team are working in Berkshire, so it's time to load up and get on the road. You're right, Gary, we're on site here in Berkshire. What are we doing today?
So we've got a couple of jobs to do today. We've got some crack stitching to do up in the loft.
Okay, well I've seen the hole going up to the loft. Who's the unlucky person who's got to go up there?
So yeah, we've got Jack. No, we're not. We've got Callum actually going up in the loft.
I don't know about saying I'm lucky. I'm pretty lucky, you know.
Yeah, looks lucky.
So yeah, he's going to squeeze through the hatch and hopefully get the wall cut. As you can see there, we've got 3 insertions to make. 1, 2, 3. So that's the first task, and then we've got bars to put in down the sides of the garage walls, 5 each side. I'm drilling from the outside inwards into the internal block area to stitch them back together.
Cool, let's see how we get on.
Yes.
Because of the narrow space, Callum has to get the tools he's going to use into the loft first. Man, that is a squeeze up there. Also, because of the space, he has to use the angle grinder for the low cut and then the Arbotech for the others. Callum is 6'2", so I take my hat off to him here. The bar flex is all installed with minimum fuss. Great job, Callum. Next we're downstairs with Jack. He is measuring and marking up for the installation of the Semflex. Semflex is installed into the T-shape where the walls meet to stop any further movement or cracking. The holes are drilled with a metre-long drill bit and measured to where the depth needs to be. Jack then cleans out the holes of dust so they're ready for installation. The Semflex is then cut to size for each installation, and while this is being done, some more bond flex is being prepared and the long nozzle for the Semflex installation being attached to the gun. All of these products are manufactured at Target Fixing's headquarters. It's time to install, and the weather has turned, so time is of the essence. The bond flex is pumped to the back of the drilled holes until all voids are full and the Semflex is twisted into the holes, creating a strong connection. holes are then cleaned up and with a few days weathering will not leave a blemish on the outer wall. The property will now no longer continue to crack and the property owner can have his mind put at rest. Another great job done by the team. Well done, lads. See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that bell.